Okay, welcome back to Mindful Trading. In this video, we are going to learn how to find reversals and notice continuations, and also we're going to learn how to draw trend lines. All right, so we're going to continue with learning how to chart. Let's see, so we're on Euro USD again, and we have our 1 hour time frame, and I found that using the 1 hour time frame is really best for beginners. Helps you to learn more quickly. And I hope that you had a chance to do some practicing. And what I'd like to do now is have you notice some more things about price action. So one of the things we're going to talk about is a reversal. And I'll show you a reversal right here. I'm going to use one of these tools. I think I'll use the circle. So what I'm going to do is come over here to this little paintbrush and click the arrows and then scroll down to where I find the circle. And so these are also things that you can do in your chart to help you find places that you'd like to remember or leave notes. So I'll click on circle, and then I'm going to come over here to this area, to these 3 bars. 1, 2, 3. So you see one going up, another one that is just tapping our trend line and pointed down, or pushing away from our resistance area, and then the black candle, which is larger than the candle before it, and that's called engulfing. That's called a 3-bar reversal, and some people call it an evening star or a morning star if it's at the bottom, if it's in the support area. So what we'll do is we'll write ourselves a note. And so we'll come over here to our toolbox, our list of tools, and we're going to look for text. So what you can do, and you'll learn more about these as you go along, you can just click beside each one of these just to see where text might be. I'm going to keep clicking. And look, right here where this little call out area is a text box. So you can use either a call out, or you can use comment or price label. You could use price label if you really want to mark the price. But I think I'll try using the call out this time. And so this is a little box that we're going to use where I can create some text inside. Okay, and since I'm talking about this area, I can point right here to this area, and then I can double click on it and start to write my text. So I think what I'll write about this is that this is a reversal pattern. Okay. And it's a 3-bar reversal. So that when I look at it later on, I can go back and read it, and it will help me with studying. All right. Price has touched our resistance area, a resistance zone. And may continue to the downside. I may you could take a sell here. It's also called shorting the market. So selling is also called shorting. All right. So in the future, what you would notice is that you could take a sell after looking at this pattern and noticing that, we're coming up here to the top. We've hit resistance here, and we've got a hammer, which is signaling price action to go down. And then we have an engulfing candle here, which is larger than the candle before it, which helps to complete our pattern here, our 3-bar reversal. And so we wouldn't enter on any of these. We would enter the market on the next candle. So we have to always wait for the candle, the entire price action area that we're looking at to complete. So this candle was formed at 9 o'clock a.m. This one was formed at 10 a.m. And I'm looking down here at the bottom, right down here where the time is. And this one was formed at 11 a.m. So you wouldn't enter into this sell until 12 p.m. All right. And so that's just giving you an idea of how you would enter the market, because you never know. So we're pretending that it is 12 o'clock on this day, and so we wouldn't be able to see the rest of this. And so that's an example of how to find a reversal. So I'd like for your homework to be looking for reversals like this pattern. You can either find it in terms of resistance, or you can find it in a support area. And use your circle and see if you can find all these areas and circle them like this. And you can change the color of your circle if you'd like. It'll give you an opportunity to change the color. So you'd go up here to this little, this is like a little paint bucket. This is similar to what you would see if you've ever used Microsoft Word before. And then you can change the color of the circle if you want. So you could make it yellow, and make it a lighter color, or something a little bit darker. All right, so it's up to you. It's your preference. And you could also change this little line tool color. You could change the color of the perimeter of the circle. And the next thing I'd like to show you is how to draw a trend line. So you can click on the trend line, 1, 2, and then the third touch point would be there. And so this is also another indication of a change in price action. You can draw a trend line if you're going down this way from left to right. Your trend lines are always going to be on top, similar to like resistance that we talked about before. And if you're going from left to right and up, then the trend line is going to be on the bottom. All right, so you can practice drawing trend lines for homework, and also practice finding 3-bar reversals. And be sure to take notes and screenshots and save your work. All right, and we look forward to seeing you next time.